Mu Pro 4-5-1 wheel set, 20-inch. Featuring a streamlined design like a dolphin, the lightweight aluminum alloy frame offers ergonomic comfort for an enhanced riding experience. The welding putty process ensures a smooth, seamless appearance, while the refined, subtle details exude a sense of premium quality. Utilizing multiple DAHON patented technologies, it incorporates DAHON's patented technology, DelTech. DelTech enhances single-beam folding bike frames by transforming frames into a stable, triangular structure, redistributing the frame's force distribution onto the DelTech. As a result, the impact on the other frame and joints is reduced, greatly improving the maximum load-bearing capacity and service life. The Super Down tube is not only larger but flattened at both ends for maximum coupling between the top tube and the BB, increasing the lateral stiffness by at least 10%. Pedaling efficiency is significantly increased, especially along with the DelTech cable. BA hinge. A 4-link structure ensures a reliable locking mechanism. Folding and unfolding is simple, quick, and effortless. It's forged from aluminum alloy, offering a streamlined appearance. Second-generation internal V handle post. Made of aluminum alloy, it's integrally forged without welding, giving it superior strength and durability. The safety hook automatically tightens, so it's easy and convenient to operate. The internal V locking mechanism is simplified for easier assembly. The handle post is slightly square, providing a round and smooth look for a better-looking aesthetic. The handlebar is connected by the D2D stem for vertical adjustment to fit riders of different body shapes and riding postures. Seat post clamp. Circular structure at the rear end of the handle ensures easy operation and safe riding experience. 580mm carbon fiber seat post is highly adjustable for different body heights. Quick release pedals can be pulled out within seconds for easy installation. Brake system has been designed for responsive brakes and comfortable operation thanks to the Shimano Tiagra A set. Gear system. Equipped with the Shimano 105 rear derailleur and RS 700 flat bar road shift lever. Transmission. Equipped with 54T integrated chainring, Shimano 11 to 28T, and 11-speed R7000 flywheel for precise shifting. DAHON customized wheel set, specially crafted for top performance, ensuring smooth and lubricated rotations. With over 40 years of history, DAHON's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. DAHON has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 DAHON folding technologies, embedding DAHON's DNA. Choosing DAHON means choosing trust and quality. With DAHON's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.